fights them two thief and filthy. Think them safe, them don't got no safety. Aye. Protect us and bless us, King Selassie eyes on. Babylon kill him, the people trying to take control. Never leave us, bless and niggas, give us strength to endure. I will forever burn the wicked man, be sure. Protect us and bless us, King Emmanuel's own. Babylon kill him, the people trying to control. Never leave us, go before us, give us strength to endure. I will forever burn the wicked. Well, it has been so many years in a slavery. Prime Minister, them no care because them done enough for the Elizabeth of England. Give them the authority to keep the people and slave the people with Christianity. And John Pope and the church them in a conspiracy. Why the Governor General him a